Anytime that we have a behavior that is unwanted, we want to avoid punishment. We don't want to try to stop or decrease the behavior. Instead, we first want to understand why the behavior is occurring. And this is across the board. So anytime we have an unwanted behavior, step one is to discern why the problem behavior is there. What is motivating the behavior to continue to repeat? Step one also would involve usually a vet check. So we want to rule out the fact that the behavior is present potentially because of some medical reason. Is the dog uncomfortable? Is the dog suffering in some way? Is just like with a person, if you were in pain, you might act more cranky than if you're feeling happy. So ruling out a potential medical reason for the problem would be number one. And of course, again, if the dog was suffering, we certainly wouldn't want to punish that behavior. After ruling out medical, we would also want to look at other possibilities for the behavior. For example, if the dog was barking a lot, is the dog barking again because something is bothering them? Is it an attention-seeking behavior? If the dog was eliminating in the house, we would want to make sure that this wasn't a house training issue. Punishing a dog for eliminating in the house could just cause them to hide and still continue to do the behavior. If the dog was destructive, again, punishing the behavior could result in apathy, aggression, escape avoidance, or generalized fear. Nothing that we want with any animal, but in particular, if we already have a dog that's fearful and anxious with regard to separation anxiety.